Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by building the backbone, a table with date, category, description, amount, and type. Enter your recurring incomes and fixed bills now so totals reflect reality. Format amount as currency and convert the range to a table. This makes formulas copy automatically. Once done, add a balance column with a running SUM so you see cash flow. Make sure to name the table. That lets you reference columns by name in later formulas and keeps the sheet tidy and reliable. Now set up the calculations that power decisions. Use SUMIFs to total expenses per category and per month. This gives precise, data-aware sums. Create a drop-down category list and apply data validation so entries are consistent. This prevents mismatches in formulas. Once categories work, build a pivot table or use SumProduct for a quick breakdown by category and month. These summaries show where money goes so you can spot trends. Make sure to refresh the pivot table after adding new rows. Finish by reconciling with your bank or statements. Mark any mismatches in a review column so you can resolve them. Protect key formula cells and add conditional formatting to highlight overspending or negative balances. This creates actionable alerts. If something goes wrong, check that ranges refer to the table, not static cells, and that filters aren't hiding rows. Use Excel's Evaluate Formula tool to step through calculations. Once fixed, save a backup. That keeps your monthly budget safe and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.